Hey, what's up, pilots? So I'm just out here. It's early morning, hence my hoarse voice right now. Yeah, so I've been here before. This is like right beside the amusement park. Came here with my Flyby 20 with the 04 air unit. I did do some sort of freestyle maneuvers. I wouldn't dare do, close proximity based stuff. So it's a parkour gym, and so plenty of opportunities to do fun stuff in here. They form like natural gates, and I could do some dive related stuff, but I wouldn't dare to do it on the Flyby 20, right? So enter this drone. This was previously a Mob 8. I've showcased it before. There's been some changes because it's got some history to it now. It was a Mob 8, and then that frame broke. And so I don't trust the Mob 8 frame anymore. It's kind of brittle. It's like, sure, it has really sturdy plastic, but there's just some things about that design that are kind of off. And so I actually switched over what was an Air 75 at first, until I've learned that the Air 75 2 frame is great because it's light, but that lightness and that like lack of rigidity was actually a detriment to the parts that I was putting on it, because I moved over my Robo 1003s over to that frame, and now I've learned something new. I'm sure all you veterans out there already know, but I didn't know that a large motor would cause so much vibration that if your frame can't absorb it, then it just goes crazy, right? And like I've tried tuning that thing all the way down, but then it flew like ass. So what this is now is the same components, but I've now moved it over to the Meteor 75 Pro frame, which is more rigid and actually larger prop size. I actually didn't know that. So that's why it looks a little weenie on here, but I think it'll be okay still, because I have really aggressive pitch on these props. I did order proper fit props so that it doesn't have to work as hard for the same amount of thrust, because you can see here like there is a lot of room left here. But these props are aggressive. I think they're like 3.4 whatever the unit is, and so that's why they look the way they do. And then anything else? Oh yeah, so because the Air 75 before was the Air 75 2 frame, and the tune on it, like I couldn't get it right. I actually flew it and lost it in a thorn bush on private property. I've written that drone off. It took like 3 or 4 days after talking to my partner. She's like, you should just go get that drone back. And so with her encouragement and actually her on the lookout, went back to the private property early in the morning, snuck my way into that thorn bush, and pulled out the drone, drove myself in there. And so yeah, I had hives for days after that because of the thorns prickling all my skin and stuff, and like I'm allergic. Yeah, that's why there's still specks of dirt on here. This guy's been through a lot. The other casualty of that was that my VTX on there, it just like burnt out. Maybe it's shorter or something, so I had to get another one. It was the Zeus Nano before from HG LRC, and now I'm using the sub 250 Nano. Is it called Nano? Anyways, the sub 250 TX400. Tested it out already. The parts work. I'm happy with it. Have a little light tune on it. It's like maybe 90% of the way there in terms of how happy I am with it. We'll see what we could do here today, and yeah, play around a bit. The mobula will practice just to show that with analog brings confidence. I will practice a Matty flip through this gap here. This gap? No. Maybe this gap. It's not a lot of room though to Matty over, but yeah, why did I make this so hard for myself? Anyways, we'll Matty through here because, with a 04 Air, I would not dare to Matty something this tight, which even now I'm questioning if I should do it, but maybe we'll go. How about we Matty through here? That gives us time to figure out how much it's falling and see how much throttle we would give. So let's go for it. That was not a Matty. Ow. Okay. This thing is really front heavy. I got the battery. Anyway, let's go for it. No more talking, just do. Woo! That was fun, eh? I don't think I did it, but it was fun. Nope. Oh, video cut out again. What the fuck? Alright, well, something's obviously wrong with the VTX or the camera. No, if it was camera, it would be a black screen. It's the VTX. Why is it? It's the VTX. What is going on here? I see a red light. Wow, folks, we are... Is that it? Is that the end of this episode? That's sad if it is. Let me try turning it off and on again. No, that didn't do it. We don't have anything unless it's interference, but I just got static here. No, there's no signal coming through at all. So, did the channel change on its own? Let me do like a quick channel scan. That would be wild. The channel just changed on its own. Could be. I'm seeing some. Anyways, we'll try. Oh my god, what the heck? The channel changed on its own. What is going on? This VTX is... Okay, that's the first time. Yeah, I've never had that happen before. The VTX channel just changed on its own from R1 to R3. So... And that was just me flying around. What it like? Launch control active. What? Yeah, just no words. Learning. Weird. And I'll have to look it up after. Probably ask ChatGPT or something. Alright, so back to Matty flip training. Oh, no, that was not a Matty. This is hard. Okay. Up. Over. That was kind of it. Oh, let's get out of here. Nice. Yeah, I think I need to like, in order to do at least a Matty this tight, I need to pop into it. So I need to pull back and then let my momentum then carry me through, and then I can work on the exit. So again, all words, let's go. Oh, that was not it, but I overshot that by a lot. That was kind of it, except I fucked up the exit. So let's try again. Kind of. I mean, it was broken up. It wasn't done all synchronously. There you go. That's kind of it right there. Let's try that again, eh? Oh, fuck yeah, let's go. I mean, exit's kind of crooked, but we learn it. There you go. Yeah. No, that wasn't it, but nice. Yeah, no, I would not dare to do this on the 04, so huge improvement already. Like, there, that would have ended my 04. Do I want a turtle mode? See, I have this, like, bittersweet relationship with turtle mode, because sometimes... Here, see, already you can see, this is why. My battery was slipping off, right? And like, if I just went turtle mode, I would just continue flying without checking on the drone itself. But in this case, I'm glad I did, because if I just flew for a little bit, it would have came off and flinged off, and then I would have it eject on me, and who knows what else could happen. So, turtle mode. Nah, I think it's a last resort. Like, I'd rather just walk up and check on the drone itself. But, you know, maybe that's just me. Okay, let's tighten that strap some more. No, it's not going anywhere now. Let's give it another try. Again, I don't know why the channel just changed on its own. Like, should I be worried? That's what's going through my mind right now. But whatever. Right now, we are gonna go for that Matty again. Well, it keeps happening to me. I over-rotated, or under-rotated. over rotated, so then I just got forward. It could also be my pitch tracking. I might need to tune it some more, but that's just excuses. I probably just suck. There you go. There's your Matty. Yep, okay, we got it, folks. Did it twice. I think that's enough. Wow, that's so much fun. I'm so much fun with analog. This is awesome. Like, just don't have that same fear. You just have this confidence. You can go for Matties. Like, come on. So sick. Fucking wipe out like that and then have it change the channel again, right? Fuck. All right. Well, I think that's it for the video. At least I'll be playing around the park some more. Maybe I'll show that footage, maybe not, because I gotta fix this drone right now. I have lost the video again. So I figured out why it keeps changing channels. On this VTX, the button is right up against the canopy here. So the button that lets you, manually change the channel and the power too, I think, right? Or I'm not sure, but I can even just lightly press on the canopy here and I can feel it click in and press the button. So that's what's happening. Anyways, take care, y'all. Later.